Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your no-copyright footage and audio into one project. This prevents format mismatches and saves time. Once imported, create a sequence with 1920x 1080 and 2430 fps to match most platforms, and drag key clips onto the timeline in rough order. Make sure to rename clips and use color labels so you can find shots fast. This reduces editing errors later. You'll want proxies if files are large, because smoother playback speeds up exact trimming and creative decisions. Now you shape the story. Trim to the strongest beats and place your best shots where the viewer's attention is highest, because pacing controls engagement. Once done, apply transitions sparingly, crossfades for mood, L-cuts for natural audio continuity, and use keyframes to smooth motion and opacity changes. Make sure to balance audio by normalizing clips, applying gentle EQ to remove muddiness, and adding a limiter so peaks don't clip. This prevents listener fatigue and keeps final export clean. You finish by exporting for the intended platform. Choose H, 264, 1080p, and set bitrate around 812 Mbps for a good quality size balance. Once exported, embed clear metadata and add a short on-screen credit noting the no copyright license or CC0 status so viewers and platforms see provenance. Finally, preview the final file in a separate player and scrub to check audio sync, color shifts, and compression artifacts. If sync drifts, relink sources and re-export that segment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.